Mwaka wa 2006 niguo ministry yo kuyahitukirie mihang'o ya uthondeki wa namba plate cia kiriu wira uria wari urutwo ni ruhonge rwa njera guku bururi-ini.
So what we needed is
no thutha wa icera ria Muikariri giti wa Kamiti ya Ambunge ugitiri Paul Koinange njera-ini ya Kamiti kurahithuka mihang'o ino ndikoretwo igithie na mbere na imwe cia macini iria ciari huthike hari uthondeki wa namba plate citikoretwo ikiruta wira.
We wanted to see the production of the number plate. It has been a very big problem and many people are complaining. And the only way we can catch up is actually very simple. We move into the new generation, which is security number plates, and that's what we need as a country.
Kuringana na munini wa kamishna wa uthunduri njera-ini no Kennedy Aluda mari no hoti wa guthondeka number plates 6,000 oro muthenya ona gutuika undu uyu ndukoretwo ukihanika kuona kuri na macini matari maramukira kuma kuri thirikari ya kumateithiriria kurikia wira uyu.
We want to make sure implementation is done at the shortest period as possible, at least the next 90 days. It is operational and the production is being done.
Gukiri uguo Koinange ni ugite ni meguthie na mbere guthingata thirikari kugira ministry yo kui undu mwe na ugitiri wa thiini niguo gutigira macini iria ciothe irendekana hari gukinyiriria mubango uyu ni ciagurwo.
It is a shame for us to realize that the phase 3 equipment that was to be purchased is between 3 and 5 million. And for us really to talk about holding a whole operation because of 3 to 5 million, to operationalize a system that is going to generate in itself almost $1 billion per year, it's something that is not logical at all.
Koinange ni ugite ni megukorwo makirutaniria hari gutigira uthondeki uyu ni wambiriria kahinda-ini ga thiku 90 ciukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ngari wa Kamau.